You're one of those people that's kind of sitting all day, whether you're at class or at work, and just feeling that tightness in that low back. Let me show you some, it's kind of a funky little stretch, but let me show you something really simple you can kind of do for your low back. So all we're gonna do, you get in like a little figure 4 position, so one leg's bent, this leg's gonna come over the top. You're gonna take your hand, you're gonna grab this bottom leg here, and you're just gonna pull it a little bit. And as you pull it, other hand grabs the other leg, and you wanna just pull it across like that. I personally like to hold it like 3 to 5 seconds, and then do the other side. It's simple and effective. So again, you're gonna start with that figure 4 sort of position, come over, other hand's gonna grab this bottom foot down here. You stable yourself, grab the leg, pull over, and you just feel a nice stretch. 3 to 5 seconds, 3 times each side, really simple.